everyone, we're from Group Aster. In this video, we will tell you how to make Ampal Jagung. Before we begin, we will introduce ourselves. Hi, my name is Jovita.
My name is Alexandra.
My name is Angel.
My name is Calista.
My name is Diana.
My name is Feli.
Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, an egg, a corn, salt and pepper as needed, and frying oil as needed.
Utensils: a mixing bowl, a frying pan and a spatula, a strainer, a knife, a tablespoon, mortar and pestle, and serving plate.
Steps.
Slice the kernels of the corn, put it in the mortar. After it is all sliced, crush and mash the kernels until the texture is smooth. Transfer the crushed kernels into a mixing bowl and add an egg and salt and pepper. Then add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix well. Heat the frying oil on high heat. After the oil is hot, put the butter into the oil using a tablespoon. Fry it on low heat for a couple of minutes or until it is golden brown. Put it on the strainer to cool down. Ampal jagung is ready to be served.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you want, you can also try this at home. It is very simple, and good luck to you if you try it. Bye!